January the 18th, 2017. Central Italy was hit by 4 powerful earthquakes in a 4-hour span, collapsing buildings and bringing terror to the region. Residents could be seen fleeing in panic. One of those quakes being a magnitude 6.3, throughout the day, seismologists registered more than 100 aftershocks. All this in the midst of a snowstorm. A short time later, a catastrophic avalanche came down on a 4-story hotel, the force of the snow reducing much of it to rubble, spreading debris across the valley floor, snowstorm already hampering rescue efforts. Rescue teams says they found only a handful of survivors. 24 hours later, teams presuming dozens to have died, as they received no response when calling to those buried in the hotel.
And your sins have hid his face from you, that he will not hear. Do you want God to hear your prayers? Do you want God to hear your prayers? Each and every one of us are going to die. We don't know when we are going to die. My question for you is, do you have peace with God? For the time has come that judgment must begin. It says must begin. It needs to begin. It has to begin. It needs to begin now.